Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Very, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Thursday the 17th of July. Looking at dollar yen now, and I've been saying in the last couple of days that I think a very good selling area on dollar yen is going to be 101.80 to 102 big figure, as this slight rally runs out of steam, and it seemed to be yesterday that I've just missed it. 101.79 was the traded high, which was pretty much there or thereabouts, but it seems as though the downside is beginning to get going once again. I've said on a couple of times this week already that you do tend to get these 3 or 4 days of recovery before the selling pressure hits on dollar yen, and I think that's exactly what we've seen in the last few days. And it seems to be now that the sellers are coming back in at lower levels. Interestingly, so that suggests that we're going to see further pressure on this 101.30 closing level support, but ultimately the real lows start to come in on an intraday basis well below that. 100.74 was the February low, and also 100.80 was the low in May. So if you've listened to some of my other chart analysis already today on euro yen and also euro dollar, you'll see that I've been talking about this key February low that I think will be tested on all of those charts, and I think again ultimately we're building towards a test of that now, because you've got these moving averages that are all turning lower in bearish sequence, providing resistance, momentum indicators staying fairly just on the bearish side of neutral, I would say, at the moment, but MACD lines I think are pretty certainly not turning positive anyway, and I think just that it just shows that the rallies are being sold into on this euro yen chart. On an intraday basis, you'll see this recovery that's fallen over in the last in the last 12 hours or so. Certainly in Asian trading anyway, break back below that 101.60 support level, and I think we're at the moment we're testing that 101.40 level. And then I think below that you'll probably be coming back towards that 101.20. So I think that's what we're seeing. And I think if you do get another chance to sell this chart between 101.80 and 102 big figure, I think I'd take it, because I see that further weakness is going to be seen in due course on this chart. Okay, well, thank you very much for listening, and I will speak to you later.